Happy morning, my dear student friends. I am Dr. A. Lakshmana, Associate Professor of Mathematics. Today we are going to discuss about intermediate second year mathematics. Topic is circles. In previous videos already discussed some important definitions and problems on circles, and essay questions also we already discussed. Some more problems we have discussed today class. Find the equation of the circle passing through 2 points and whose center on this line, and find the equation of the circle passing 2 points and whose center on x-axis. Right? These two problems are very important for academic exams. So, solution. First of all, we can write a general equation of the circle. The general equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is treated as 1. This equation treated as 1. General equation of the circle always. So what is the circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So this 1 is passing through first point. Since 1 is passing through 4 comma 1. So that is x replaced 4 and y replaced 1. That is 4 square 60, 1 square 1, 4 into 2 8g plus 2 into 1 2f plus c is equal to 0. So that implies 8g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 17. This is equation 2 only. Another is, and since 1 is passing through 4 comma 5. So that is x replaced 4 and y replaced 5. So what about 4? 4 square is 16 plus 25 plus 8g plus 10f plus c is equal to 0. That implies 8g plus 10f plus c is equal to minus 41, because 16, another is 25, adding this is minus 41. This is equation 3 only. And also whose center on that line only. So the equation of the circle, general equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. The center is minus g minus f. Here, since the center is minus g minus f lies on 4x plus y minus 16 is equal to 0. That implies x replaced minus g, y replaced minus f. That is minus 4g minus 4f minus 3f. So sorry, minus f minus 16 is equal to 0. The simplest one as 4g plus f plus 16 is equal to 0. This is equation 4 only. So you can solve 2, 3, 4. Ultimately we are getting a FGC. Right? So what is our target is, we can find x and we can find y and we can find c by using the equations 3, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3 and 4. So now we can solve the equation 3, equation 2, 3, 4. So solve 2 and 3. Here 3 minus 2, we can apply 3 minus 2 implies 4z minus 4z cancel 0. 10g minus 2f, it is 8f. cc cancel only 0 is equal to minus 41 plus 17 minus 24. Right? That implies 8f is equal to minus 24. F is equal to minus 3 only. So 24, 3 8s are 24. So minus 3. Another is, you put the value f any one of the equation, we get the answer only. So in the last equation, fourth equation, from 4g plus f plus 16 is equal to 0 implies 4g is equal to minus f minus 16. F already is nothing but minus 3, minus plus 3, minus 16. This is nothing but minus 13. Implies g is equal to minus 13 by 4. Minus 13 by 4, g value, right? So f is already getting and g getting, and from 2. What is 2? 8g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 17. So 8 into g is minus 13 by 4 plus 2 into f is minus 3 plus c is equal to minus 17. Right? So this is 2 times cancel, minus 26 minus 6 plus c is equal to minus 17. That is c is equal to minus 17 plus 32. So minus 17 plus 30. So c is equal to minus 17 plus 32 is nothing but 15 only. C is equal to 15. Therefore the required circle is x square plus y square plus 2g. 2 into g means minus 13 by 4 into x plus 2f. 2 into f means minus. So from equation 2, 3, 4 we can solve. We are getting a f is equal to minus 3, g is equal to minus 13 by 4, g is equal to minus 13 by 4 and c is equal to 15. So what is general equation of the circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx. G means minus 13 by 4 plus 2f means minus 6 minus 3 into y plus 15 is equal to 0. So that is x square plus y square plus minus, this is 2 times cancel only, minus 13 by 2x minus 6y plus 15 is equal to 0. So you can multiply with the 2 times of x square plus y square minus 13x minus 12y plus 30 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the circle passing through 2 points and whose center on given line. This is the solution of the problem number 1. And problem number 2, the general equation of the circle. The equation of the circle passing through equation of the circle and whose center on x-axis. Whose center x-axis means always we are considered as minus g comma 0 only. So general equation of the circle x plus g whole square plus f square y minus 0 whole square is equal to r means again g square only. So we can simplify this one, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus g square is equal to g square only. This is cancel only. So what is ultimate equation in x square plus y square plus 2gx is equal to 0. This is our equation of the circle. Our equation of the circle whose center on x-axis. So our equation of the circle whose center on x-axis. So sorry for small minor mistake only. We have to rectify that. So the equation of the circle whose center x-axis minus g comma 0 and with radius d square minus g. So x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. General equation of the circle. That is x plus g whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to r square means g square minus c. That is we can simplify this one, g square x square plus y square plus 2gx plus g square is equal to g square, and g square cancel only. Our required circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c is equal to 0. This is an equation of the circle whose center on x-axis and radius with radius is g square minus c only. Now the equation of the circle passing through these 2 points. So since one is passing through minus 2 comma 3. Just x replaced minus 2 and y replaced 3 only. This is 4 plus 9 minus 4g plus c is equal to 0. Plus what about this? Minus 4g plus c is equal to minus 13. This is equation 2. Since 1 is passing through 4 comma 5. So implies what about this? 16 plus 25 plus 8g plus c is equal to 0. Implies 8g plus c is equal to minus 41. This is equation 3. So now you can solve the equation 2 and 3. Solve 2 and 3. What about 2? That is just it is a 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. What about this 3 minus 2? 8g plus c is equal to minus 41 minus 4g plus c is equal to minus 13. So subtracting plus is minus, this is plus only. So this is c cancel only, right? This is 12g equals to, so it is 41 13. So it is 838. So it is a minus 41 plus 13. So it is a minus 41 plus 13 means it is a minus 28. So g is equal to minus 28 by 12. 4 3s are 4 7s are. That is minus 7 by 3. G is equal to minus 7 by 3. So you put the g value any one of the equation. Minus 4g plus c is equal to minus 13. C is equal to minus 13 plus 4g. So minus 13 g. What is the g value? Here 4 into minus 7 by 3. So it is minus 39 minus 28 by 3 only. So this is, what about the ultimate value is minus 67 by 3 only. So therefore C we are getting and G also we are getting. So ultimate the equation of the circle is, you put the value. So the required circle is x square plus y square plus 2 into g is minus 7 by 3 into x plus c means minus 67 by 3 is equal to 0. That is, we can multiply with the 3. That is 3 times of x square plus y square minus 14x minus 67 is equal to 0, which is required equation of the circle passing through 2 points and whose center on x axis only. So thank you very much for good listening. Thank you one and all.